Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this super cute necklace. This is by far our most popular design I've made yet. I've made this probably in about 4 different colors, but now it's time to add a 5th. First, I'm going to be taking about 4 to 5 different colors of clay beads, mixing them together. I found one that's not supposed to be in there. I'm putting half of it aside to make cute bracelets with. Next, we're going to make a little smoothie here. So we're going to be adding a bunch of beads we feel like we like that adds and kind of fits the vibe. We're adding seed beads, and then my favorite part, which is the real shells and real pearl beads. I love adding this. I feel like it gives it a little extra special touch. Next, we gotta add in these flower charms because it is not a SoCo necklace without it. Next, we're gonna measure out our wire, and this wire is what we're gonna use to actually build up the necklace. We're gonna put in all those beads we just made. We're gonna put it in the bead spinner. After we threaded the bead spinner hook, we're just going to dip it in and we're going to let it do its thing. I like holding the bead spinner bowl at a little angle and then holding the hook at an angle again. I feel like it helps grasp onto those beads perfectly. So we're just going to work bit by bit, and then after we have a decent amount, we're going to put on that flower charm that I love so much. And then we're going to add some more, and then after we added another decent amount, we put on that white flower charm. I'm going to take it off the hook, and now it's time to finish off the necklace. At the clasp, a couple crimp beads. We're going to start off by putting on a crimp bead, and then we're going to put on the little clasp. And then after we have that clasp on, we're going to thread it back through the crimp bead, and then we're going to squish it, close it tight. On the other side, we're going to be putting on this bead. I forgot the name of it, but it like opens up like a little claw. And then we're going to be putting in the crimp bead. We're going to close that close, cut off the extra, and then close that little claw up. Next, we're going to add a jump ring, and we're about done, guys. This necklace looks so good so far. I seriously love this design I made. It's giving summer, and it is giving good vibes.